Welcome to my YouTube channel Akasin Student, and please subscribe and share my channel. Important points for rounding off the numbers. If the rightmost digit to be removed is more than 5, the preceding number is increased by 1. If the rightmost digit is less than 5, the preceding number is not changed. If the rightmost digit is 5, then preceding number increased by 1 only if it is an odd number. Method used to enter conversion of unit is known as dimensional analysis unit factor method. Laws of chemical combination. Law of conservation of mass conclude that in all physical and chemical changes there is no net change in mass during the change. Law of definite proportional composition stated that a given compound always contains exactly the same proportion of element by weight. Law of multiple proportional stated that if two elements can combine to form more than one compound, the masses of one element that combine with fixed mass of other element are in the ratio of small whole number. Gauss-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. When gases combine or produced in chemical reaction, they do so in a simple ratio by volume provided all gases are at same temperature and pressure. Avogadro law proposed that equal volumes of all gases at same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules. Dalton's atomic theory proposed the following points. All atoms of given element have identical properties, including identical mass. Atoms of different elements differ in mass. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in fixed ratio. Chemical reactions involve reorganization of atoms. These are neither created nor destroyed in chemical reaction. Atomic and molecular mass. One atomic mass unit mu is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. 1 mu is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. At present, mu has been replaced by unified mass U. Average atomic mass can be computed when we take into account the existence of isotopes and their relative abundance. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of the element present in a molecule. Formula mass is used to instead of molecular mass of ionic solid, as in solid state they do not exist a single entity. Mole concept and molar masses. Mole, symbol mole, is 7th base quantity of 4 amount of substance. 1 mole contains exactly 6.022 into 10 power 23 elementary entities. This number is the fixed numerical value of the Avogadro constant. The mass of 1 mole of substance in gram is called molar mass. Mass percent of an element is equal to mass of that element in compound in 100 upon molar mass of the compound. Empirical formula represents the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms present in compound, where the molecular formula shows exact number of different types of atoms present in molecule of compound. Stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculation. Stoichiometry deals with calculation of masses, sometimes volume of the reactant and product involved in chemical reaction. Reactant which gets consumed first limits the amount of product formed is called limiting reagent. a majority of reactions are carried out in a solution, the concentration of solution can be expressed in following ways. Mass percent is equal to mass of solute into 100 mass of solution. Mole fraction of solute is equal to number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solution. Molarity, number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. What dilution of solution? M1, B1, M2, B2. Molarity, number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kilograms.